The British use this one trick, that policy, and then divide and rule. When the INC became popular, the British dismayed. Dismayed means they are fearing about the unity of Indian people, because they knew about when the all over the India people revolt against their administrative. That time we cannot live here for long time. They think like that. So about the unity of Indians, they knew about British. So they used this trick, that one, divide and rule. Tactfully they divide the Bengal places, because the major places, that is they ruled in Bengal places, they tactfully divided it, Bengal, in two parts. First one, east for the Muslims, and then another one is west for the Hindus, because they divide tactfully in religious belief. The people will be there thinking opposite their religious belief. Then another caste, it means Hindus opposed to the Muslims, or Muslims opposed to the Hindus. They tactfully, trickly they used this religious method. They divided in this Bengal. But the all over the people, they knew. Then when they oppressed this one, the people resented. All over the people opposed this decision when they Bengal divided in two parts. So then Swadeshi movement, we call this one towards independence. How they people towards the independence, for the movement started Swadeshi movement, it called that one. It started 1905. This one 1900 to 8. The partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal, this is the main reason people revolt against, or they started Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement means involved boycott of British products. They involved, the boycotts means they rejected the product of British, and revival of domestic products. It means they give the preference to industries reopen in India's, and new factories open in the India's. They wanted these things, and those some are the architects or the prominent persons who they are worked in the movement. Arvind Ghosh, Veer Savarkar, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lala Lajpat Rai. Those persons, they do the work hard for in the Swadeshi movement, and they give the ideas to the people how they improve our economic condition in our India's. Everything they wanted to, because they need in India improve the economic condition. Automatically they developing their, when the economic condition developing, the independence, they live happily in this India people. So they, in this way, the all major peoples, these are thinking and given the awareness about these things to the people. And then the last one, the Ghadar party. What is the meaning of Ghadar party? Ghadar party, this one, get rid of the British rule. It means also wanted to the freedom, because they against or they reject the British rule from the India. And when it was established 21st April 1913. 1913 it was established. The person named San Francisco. San Francisco, he was the Indian, and assembled this foundation and formed. It is because get rid of the British rule from throughout the India's, and this one movement they do the work very hard, and weekly newspaper that announce that name Ghadar recalled, and so many languages the newspaper in their news there is spread in some such languages: Punjabi and Hindi and Urdu, Bengali, Gujarati, and then Pashto. So like this, in these languages the newspaper gather spread and all over the India's reach the news how the British rule in our India's, how we get rid from here, everything they explain and then give the messages to the people. In this way, Kartar Singh Sardar, he do the very work hard in the when they published the newspaper, weekly published this newspaper, and everything in this lesson happen. They rejected the British rule and give the awareness to the common people, the major things or do the work, and like that throughout the leaders and even maybe moderators, even maybe nationalists do the work from throughout the